Hey guys, so today I am just gonna go in my new house. Oh my god, I bought the trailer estate. Just kidding, guys. I bought the castle. Like, new thumbnail. So let's see inside. I have decorated. I decorated it. So I turned off the music. So like YouTube won't come for me when I, like, um, no, what's it called? I don't know, but, hi Jen. Like, I have the custom music ID, so yeah. So, I will show you around my house. So, over here is when you want to watch TV and you're not cold. And this is when you don't want to watch TV and you just want to like relax when you're cold. So like over here. And I'll show you the best room for last, and I think that room is my room or I don't know. This is my sister's room, Shelby, and I'm going to ask her what stuff she wants in here. And I'll show you the kitchen after the upstairs because it's so good. And here's the movie theater room. A blank room right here because I don't know what to do there. I'll just put a bathroom there and like live in the life in the home movie theater. Yeah, okay. Next. The sale's still on and it's Thursday and it said it ended Monday. Oh, I forgot. Okay. I usually go upstairs on here. Okay, so this is me and Marley's gaming area. Like, I'm like, oh, let's play Roblox. And she's like, okay, sure. She's like, okay, sure. That's a good impression. No, it's not. I don't know. I haven't seen her in a few days. And you know how we do the fashion shows? If you don't, well, we did it in one video, but just saying, we did it in one video, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link down below. And this is my new fashion showroom, cause me and Marley do this all the time. Like even when she's not here, like she's not here at my house in real life, but like when she's at her own house, we can still do this. And if you don't know who Howie is, he's someone from America's Got Talent, and he's a judge, and we made an outfit for him. And whenever we're the judge, we just wear this. And we're going into the party room. This is the party room. I saved up a lot of coins for this. And here's the hot tub, bounce house, fidget spinner giver, and the ball pit. Okay. Now we're going in Marley's room that she decorated herself. Like when she was over, when she was over a few days ago, she like decorated this on the computer. And actually, I am recording on the computer because it's not as glitchy. This is my schoolroom. Don't tell me why I have it, but I have it. And I just noticed whenever I sit in here, I'm a little kid. Okay. Okay, so here is the kitchen. There's so much food. I'll make you one. I'll make one. Should I make bacon and eggs? No. I don't know. I'll get some ice cream. Wait, let me think. Apple juice? Apple blender thing? I don't know. Okay, I don't want to buy that Apple Shopping Best Buy ad. Okay. Wow. Howie wants something to drink. really tried to add sound effects. Well, guys, that is my house, and I'm just gonna try and just taking a risk to see if this will be the thumbnail, and I will just I'll just reset my character, and I'll just put this face like, oh, I got a castle. Like, this isn't mine. Wait, no, I'm gonna wear these shorts, and I'll wear a crop top. No, too much black. Well, I shouldn't be saying that wearing my like when you saw my character resetted. Now I'm wearing all black. Even my face. Load. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go outside my castle and oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Oh, yeah. You forgot to see my room. Dang. And the other room that's even better than my room. No, I don't want to go to your party. Sorry, bro. Okay, let's see my room. So it's all blue, as you can see. I'm making a video. Yeah, that was Shelby. And this is my room. It's epic. Oh my god, that's me when I sleep. Scared of everything. And here's my beanbag chair. And if you're wondering if this is a bathroom, it ain't. This is Jen's room. She's eating. Hey Jen, want to play with your toy so the people can see? Go play. Go play. Jen, you're a little bat. I want to change your outfit. Dress up. I'm gonna keep the wings on, but I'm gonna put on the fedora. There you go. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this castle update, house tour, and yeah, tell me what I should do next down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.